My name's Dr. Abigail Wright and I'm an educational psychologist. There's a whole host of benefits for sending children back to education if they're in a position to do so. And I don't just mean in terms of their learning and cognitive development, but also in terms of their well-being, allowing them access to their peers that is so valuable for their learning, which allows us to engage in skills such as problem solving and group work, which are all really important for developing positive outcomes later on in life. I would say one of the key benefits of going back to school is that it would help re-establish that sense of belonging that children belong to an education setting and a wider community as well. And there's lots of research to suggest that this sense of belonging increases children's well-being, which puts them in a really good position to be able to learn in the first place. It's really important to take a holistic approach to education. So whilst that includes academic skills, it also includes a child's well-being and happiness. If we're not able to feel happy and comfortable in our own learning environment, we're going to be in a difficult position to take on any sort of academic learning, and particularly ones that is challenging for us as well. So for parents that are unsure about sending their children back to school, I would say that it's really important to weigh up the risks against the benefits. So the advice from the Welsh Government states that it's relatively low risk for children to return to school, and they're relatively low risk to pass on to other people as well. And then it is also important to take into account all the benefits which children could potentially receive by going back into school too. So some of the things I mentioned in terms of their development, their well-being, their learning, their education and their social opportunities.